Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick review of Nevo 3.0 or Nevo 3.0, and it's the website up and running but not completely set up. So if you go to log in to Nevo Global, it's basically www.nevo.global. You get to login page and you use same credentials, same email account that you use for RightArms, and you're able to log in. Now I have to tell you that this spinning wheel makes you really dizzy if you look on it for the long time. I was like really going crazy. And so anyways, I go to profile just to get away from that screen. And okay, so let's take a look there. So we have assets balance similar to what RightArms had. So it's very similar. This sort of way design of the page on the Web 3.0, right? So we have the assets, though, is different. So we don't have any longer Bitcoin here. We have PAI, Pi token, and Phil token, PHL, right? So it's actually here slightly different spelling. If you notice, it's PHIL. I just noticed that. So that may be going to be corrected, or that may be a completely different token, and now are going to be integrated with the Phil, with the PHL, so I'm not sure. Now we have RW, CW, those internal tokens, the reward token and cash wallet token, and yeah, that's pretty much it. There is nothing active here. You can't transfer, you can't withdraw. There's all coming soon buttons when you click on it. You can't deposit anything, so it's really just being updated or working on for integration. Apparently it has to be integrated with the RightArms, but I'm not sure 100% how they're gonna link those two together, or if you have to log in separately. This is my RightArm back office, right? So I have this order activated, the 7 megahertz, $60 each one I did, and you can, if you click on buy now, you can still buy those 1 mega hash power for $60, but they're 25 and 5,000 not available. And also you cannot buy any longer as of today, because the 18th are finished for pre-order, so you can't do any pre-order today as August 18. So the system must be updated, or they'll have to launch them, because on my other account that I already pre-ordered, I'm going to show you guys just right here. So I did pre-order, and it's still where's my pre-order? That should be it, right? So I don't have it under listing. And where's my pre-order? Not 100% sure. It was just right here. So looks like you could pre-order, but just not. Oh, right there. So see, this is my pre-order. It's still in the pre-order stage, so it's not active, the $2,500 machine, the 50 mega hash, and it does not shows anywhere here. So so what's really working here is right now, so it's within the next probably couple days, once the system gonna get updated, we're probably gonna see the hash power. So right now it doesn't show anything. Obviously it's in the waiting stage, still pre-order stage. As of subscription goes, if you click on it, there is oh, it shows now activated. Wow, really? This has just happened in real time. I don't know. So maybe they just updated, because I was clicking on it, I didn't see that. So now I have the actual hash rate running. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys could see on the 50 mega hash pre-order machine now activated. Let's see on the subscription. So that one's still not working, so coming soon. So you can subscribe, but you can see your machine under the $2,500 machine, that it's a 50 mega hash power. Now let's check my other account. I'm wondering if I do have that 7. All right, so this is 2 and we're looking for this one. All right, so this one is actually 7 mega hash. So let's see if we can see now the subscription under 7. No, it doesn't show, right? So we can subscribe and we can't see subscription of that machine yet. So it looks like it's in the process of update. So the lower power machines, they're not showing on this list. Not sure if they yeah, it's probably just first day, just because not all of these parts, like earning parts, not working, mining yield not working, you know, all coming soon. The about us community actually working, so you could see all your members there, and if you have any sales under them, so it's not probably active as well because it doesn't show my asset balance, which is weird. And then doesn't show the hash power as well. Anyway, this screen is a little annoying, but hopefully we'll get that update. Let's go back to my $2,500 machine. Okay, so let's see if it's gonna, okay, now we see the page under maintenance. It looks like the reason I was able to see that machine is just really because in the real time they are doing the startup today, right? Because today is the 18th, and that's when the machine needs to be activated. So we were lucky just to see at one point one machine running, and I won't be probably able to see this machine activated. Wonder how they're gonna integrate two of this system, because the right now I can't see in my back office this machine activated, but there is nothing in the profile to be found for the Pi. I wonder if I'm gonna be still gonna need to log in two different platforms, one for RightArms, one for Nevo3.0. Let's see if this one also updating, because let me refresh. Oh yeah, it's all under maintenance now. So we were just lucky for just couple minutes, really. It's a real time they doing this maintenance, and hopefully we'll see something coming up pretty soon by end of the day, or maybe even tomorrow, and we'll be able to see what's our machines doing, what's the hash rate bringing, how many coins we get, which is supposed to be about 10 or 9 coins, you know, based on 5,000 machines. For my 2,500 it's 17, so we'll see how it goes. I was really surprised to see one of my machine, but it didn't show hash rate for a second. Anyways, the other account I have, obviously, there. Let me show you this one right there. There's 5 megahertz activated machine, so obviously nothing here. But if I probably gonna refresh, that's gonna show maintenance here as well. Obviously, yeah. All of the sites are currently under maintenance. So we got a little bit unlucky or lucky that I was able to see one machine actually inactive here on my $2,500 machine, that 50 mega hash. So looks like they just activated, even though on RightArms it's still showing as pre-order. Let me refresh, see if this is still gonna be pre-order. Just wondering how did they oh, yeah, still under pre-order, even though it was active on the Nevo3.0 page. So RightArms still showing pre-order listing. Yeah, I guess they just doing a real time integration and their maintenance going on the Nevo global site. Hopefully we'll see something coming up here as well. But what I'm wondering is, like, these machines activated, let me refresh, and the 7 mega hash I have machine, which 6 is the minimum require, 6 mega hash to qualify. So like this part, I supposed to have 6 machines right there, 7 mega hash, yeah. So 7 is totally qualified. It shows activated, right? But there's no way to see that hash power, because if I click on my order, it only shows obviously the RightArms project MinerX. So this is just the MinerX project, and this all MinerX miners are available. So their MinerX part working fine. You can still subscribe, get the 10. Both of these machines, $100, 1,000, and 10,000. So they're all still works. They did update the daily profit, slightly change. It dropped quite a bit on the profitability, probably because of global network hash rate on Bitcoins, especially with Bitcoin price pumping to $123 recently, 123,000. So anyways, that's pretty much it, I guess, since the site is in maintenance, so we can't see anything else on Nevo 3.0 back office. But I was gonna show you guys just some features there, and very similar to RightArms. Unfortunately, they're under maintenance, but they have similar stuff. The wallet is definitely different because you have now Philcoin there and Picoin. And the cash, I wonder how the cash wallet and RW will be integratable, or they're gonna show the balances. We'll see. I mean, it's gonna take a few more days. Probably, I don't know if it's gonna be longer for the whole integration. May take slightly longer, but looks like we are on the way there. So just be patient and, you know, happy mining there. We'll see how we perform. I even wonder what I'm gonna do with the 7 mega hash. I have no clue yet, because I know it's $100 maintenance fee for $5,000 machine. Now, if I share that, will it be a $7? You know, will it be, because it's not 100 mega hash, it's only 7 mega hash. So am I sharing $7 monthly maintenance for my package here, or how does it work? Where is it going to show up? So lots of questions still, but we'll confirm once we go through the route or through the months and see where those fees are coming from and how did they place them in the wallet or so forth. So for now, we just need to be patient and see. Now, we can't pre-order any of those $2,500 machines. The ordering only was available through the RightArms. You could not order anything from the Nevo 3.0 yet. That site, it's just being updated, but it was fun kind of to go. You use same credential to log in. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned, yeah, so you basically have to use same credential to log into Nevo 3.0 as you use your RightArms account. You just type in your password and let's see, let's do this account. Which one I don't have right there? Yeah, this one. So let's say I want to see this two. I'm gonna add the tab here on the same, next to the same account, because I have 25 accounts. So if I have to use 2 different sites, that's going to be a pain, that I have to check 50 different websites. Oh my gosh, that's going to be crazy, but we'll see. I hope that will the integration going to come, and hopefully to the RightArms. That's my hope, that it's going to be added here, and we're going to see a separate wallet there and stuff like that. So we'll see how it's going to work in the next few days, guys. Stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel for more. I'll put link down below. By the way, I couldn't show you, but the referrals actually from Nevo and from RightArms, it's the same code, is just different website right now. So I'm not sure if they're gonna link them together somehow, or it's gonna be 2 different. And where you're gonna order, if you can order from RightArms or only from Nevo now from the Pi mining, I'm not 100% sure. We'll see how it goes. All right. So stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.